Quintus Global brings a unique and differentiated global-first transformation-centric model, dedicated captive, in short, DCAP. In today's changing and volatile world, corporations are increasingly looking for new and better ways to realign and enhance companies' systems and processes in enterprise functions and related areas due to the strategic and operational challenges faced. The traditional choices of pure play captive and third-party outsourcing to a BPO are no more the relevant choices for corporations.
Whether your need is to set up or carve out your captive operations for your support functions, finance and accounting, HR, IT, procurement, customer lifecycle management, service operations, we have a globally first, unique and differentiated model, dedicated captive, or called DCAP. It has two interconnected components, TCOPS, which stands for Transformation Centric Operations, and TCAS, which is Transformation Capability as a Service. That brings the uniqueness to see how we can drive a very customized business process solution to deliver a business performance. In fact, that's our mantra. We say BP to BP, business process to business performance.
Coming from global experience, we strongly believe in one of our mantras, which is BIC to BIC, that is best in class to best in context. And what does it mean? It's a unique transformation-centric solution to operate, automate, and transform even low-scale centers, whether they are global or India.
Gain advantage from your captive operations. We will commit to deliver on cost saves and transform and make it a value center.
We offer a sure shot solution to move from a cost center to a capability center or a value center by combining our strategic expertise, operational experience, and technology capabilities to drive and deliver performance enterprise-wide.
You focus on your core business while we transform your support functions as dedicated captive.
Our locations: Delhi NCR, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Kochi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Jaipur. How will the dedicated captive DCAP model be deployed?
The DCAP model provides a unique combination of low-scale operations with a higher capability. It is basically the best of two classical models, pure play captive and a pure play typical outsourcing, and also eliminates the challenges of these two classical models.
We bring in a solid business services operations and transformation expertise with a proven leadership of more than 250 years of experience and are recognized as the thought leaders and pioneers.
We have been privileged to have our clients from Fortune 500, multinational and India companies covering the entire range of large, medium and small size corporates, both for their offshoring as well as India operations.
Our engagements cover multiple domains, multiple functions, and multiple operating models that focus on strategic, operational, and transformation related areas.
QG's DCAP model provides right strategy, leadership, captive mindset, technology, governance, and transformational capabilities for our customers to derive power, benefits, and business impact for the enterprise-wide operations.
We at Quintus Global have a vision to become the most reliable and globally respected business partner to our clients. Through our dedicated captive, a differentiated transformation-centric solution to ensure that we drive business performance and co-create value for all stakeholders.
Our core values iCare guide us to move towards achieving our vision.
Customer and client centricity to focus on customer needs, value delivery as an extension of client organization, and outstanding experience to our customers, clients, and stakeholders.
Collaborative spirit to value perspective, leverage strengths, and work towards mutually beneficial results.
Ownership and accountability to be proactive, result oriented, and aim for superior performance.
Reliability and integrity to be trustworthy, authentic, and to keep commitments.
Entrepreneurial mindset to be passionate, resilient, and innovative.
To be focused on continuous learning, improving quality, and walking the extra miles.
Exclusive and dedicated operation. Get scale benefits while you focus on your core business. Committed cost reduction and value delivery while you focus to grow your profits. End-to-end process transformation and investment avoidance while you gain the competitive advantage.
We will ensure
efficient processes,
effective service,
enhanced customer experience.
Quintus Global, co-creating value, simplifying tomorrow.
Get in touch with us today.